Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. While solving step response of an RC circuit, a student had some doubt and his question was, what are the occasions when capacitor behaves as open? Is it at t less than 0 or at t greater than 0? So let's clarify. First of all, we have to keep this time diagram in mind. This is the time axis and this is the amplitude axis. This is 0 point. So before 0, the time is known as t less than 0. And immediately after 0, the time is known as t greater than 0. Now t greater than 0 is divided into two parts for capacitor charging. One is called the transient period, when from 0 volt the capacitor starts charging to its full applied voltage. So this is transient period, and after it has reached the full voltage or fully charged, then that period is known as the t infinity or t greater than 0. Okay, now you have to understand that the capacitor is nothing but two metal plates, and this is air in between. Sometimes paper is put, sometimes plastic material is put as a insulating material or as a dielectric. Now, look at this circuit. A voltage is applied through resistor and then there is a switch. When the switch is open, this is not connected, switch is not connected, then there will be no charge flow through this and the capacitor voltage will be 0. If you look at this point, there is no battery supplied here, so nothing is flowing, nothing is happening. Therefore, at this moment, in reference to time, we are in this region, and so we call that the capacitor is open. Capacitor behaves as open. Okay, the next is that when we close this switch, so this will be the condition, and now the current will start flowing, electron current like this, and the capacitor will start charging. So let's see this diagram. The capacitor has started charging. The negative charge is going to one plate and the positive charge going to other plate, and so this looks as if the current is flowing through this during this region, during the transient period, and we say that the capacitor is conducting in this region. And finally, when the plates have been fully charged, as shown here, now the plates have been fully charged, no more charge is flowing through this wire, and therefore this we can say that the capacitor is now open. Now keep one point in mind: whether we have connected the battery or we have not connected the battery, there is no charge flowing between the plates because this is a gap. No charge can flow between the plates. Okay, but in this case now, because the plates are fully charged, so no charge flowing in the wire even, and therefore we say that the capacitor is now behaving as an open circuit or open. So in this region we are now here, and the capacitor behaves as open when it is fully charged. So I hope this gives you some idea about the capacitor being open and capacitor conducting. Now just to give you an idea, let's go to the AC. Now this was DC. What happens during the AC? Now, we know that AC has a positive peak, positive voltage supply, and the negative supply alternating between positive and negative. And if you see in terms of this diagram, this means that at one time positive is on the left and the other time positive is on the right, alternating. Now in this case, what is happening? The electrons or the charge are flowing through this like this, and in the other case, when it is reversed, then the electrons or charge flowing through this. So the current direction is changing in this, although no charge is flowing between the plates, keep in mind, but apparently it looks that the current is flowing through the circuit. and that is why we say that the capacitor conducts during AC. So this is, I hope, clarifies some of your doubts. Thank you.